Peace upon you guys. If all of you are doing good. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a YouTube thumbnail like this in Inkscape. First of all, it's quite good looking, yet it's so simple. And to be very precise, it's so easy to make this in Inkscape. But first, I would like to tell you some major things that you are looking at this thumbnail of a YouTube video, like you are seeing the Python, which just shows that this video is about Python, and this logo is and this logo shows that this the creator of this video is this. And now I'll tell you some more things about this thumbnail, but first let's get started. Okay, so first of all, press Ctrl Shift D to change the document properties, and I want to set them to 1920 into 1080. Okay, so first make a rectangle using R, or you can select this from here and make a rectangle. Let me just select yellow color for now. Now first look at this. We need to create another rectangle with rounded corners. And then we need to do other things, okay? So first press again R and then making another rectangle, something like this. I'll color it red for now, okay? So we need to make these rounded corners. So just double click on it, and there must be an option. Yeah, this is it. Drag it around here, okay? So, but let me tell you that why are we making these rounded corners? Because we need to follow the trends of this UI UX. Okay, UI UX is the user interface and user experience. So you might have noticed now these all apps are not having the uh, the corners. They are having somehow the rounded corners. Okay, I don't know if you have noticed it or not. Okay, so we have our rectangle, and now what I want to do is make a drop shadow of it. You can make a drop shadow using duplicate, fill it with black color, lower selection to one step, and then use Control Shift F to add some blur. Wait a minute, I think something's not right. Okay, wait a minute. You need to. It was the. I think it was about transparency. Okay, so add blur around here. Okay, so now we have a rectangle, beautiful looking rectangle, but what more we can do now here is to do these things, to make these things, okay? So how we can make these, just press B to select the Bezier pen, also known as, I guess it's also known as pen tool, yeah. So make a point, make another point, and join these like this. Okay, we have something like this. We have something achieved like this. Okay, now let me just let me just align it a little bit. Okay, I guess we have something like this. We have something like this. Okay, now it's I just want to tell you that it's all about colors, okay? And we need to set the colors at the end of this video, okay? Not right now. Just we have the shape. Oh, first of all, I would like to delete the stroke color. This if you press Shift and then this cross button, this will delete the stroke of this shape. Okay, let's do the same with this one. Now duplicate this, move it to right there, and now uh, flip it. Something we have something like this, at least something like this. Okay, not exactly like that. So I will make another drop shadow for this, but there is another option which you can make drop shadows easily. I don't know what will you prefer, but there is an option using filters menu and then text and then shadows and glows and then drop shadow. Live preview and use the outer option here and blur radius, I guess. I guess this should go well enough. Okay, you can adjust it based on your own preferences, and let me do the same with this one. But I would like to use the Control D, use black, Control Shift F, and move selection bottom, but not bottom, just one step down. Because I don't know why I feel this is easy than that one. I don't know why. Now, what I want to do now here is to add some logo. Like here in this thumbnail, you can see Python logo here. So I have downloaded it. Now, what you can do here is use it, drag and drop here, press OK, and then set it like this. Maybe like this. Okay. And now for this logo, I'll use um, let me make it a little small. I feel this should go. This should be good to go. Guys, there is something we are missing. Like we have to make it look like this, not these inverted objects. Okay, so I want to select these both of these, and then make it a little bit small, larger, and take this one. You can adjust this with your own preferences. I'm just here to tell you how you can do this. So now we have achieved somehow like we have achieved something like this, but we need to set colors like later. Okay. Now I think we should add some text. What text should I add? Um, basic logo. No, not logo. Basic thumbnail tutorial. Inkscape channel is GfxAmbition. Just for the sake of this video, okay? Now I think it's time to set up some kind of colors, okay? Um, what color was used here? Yellow. This yellow color, and for this it was white, and for this it was white too, I guess so. Yeah, it's white. And for this shape, it's somehow pinkish color. Yeah, pink. It's a pinkish color. Maybe yeah. This should this should be good to go. So, guys, I think there is something missing here. There is really something missing here, and I guess that should be a YouTube logo, like like you should download the YouTube logo from internet and then paste it here, and it should look good enough. So, so guys, this was it. We have achieved somehow this kind of logo. Actually, this was made by me too, but I just wanted to share with you. Okay, so bye for now. Take care, stay blessed, and we'll meet in another video. Allah Hafiz, inshallah. So guys, I was just going to edit this video, but I got another idea to share with you. There is a website known as COOLORs.co This is a pretty good website to generate color palettes, okay? You just need to press space to generate new color palettes, and you can just copy and then use these color palettes in your designs, okay? First, I'm just telling you, like, you can do this like this. For example, Control V. I just copy or not, I don't know. Let me copy something from here. Wait a minute. Yeah, copy and then paste it here. Look, you can use these color palettes to make your design look good and with using some good colors. Okay, I just wanted to share with you, guys. Bye for now.